All right, we're back for the second part of this. So let me just walk you through where we've been. We have created the database. We have already selected or created our database. Now we're ready to create the letter. So at this point, we're going to insert and write our letter. So let's click that part. So we're on step 4. We're going to go to address block, and we're going to insert the address first. And you can see what it's going to look like. There's Clayton Owen, and there's Jill Thompson, and however many others that you put in. I like the layout of this, and I think it's fine. So I'm just going to say OK. There's the address. So I'm going to go down a couple lines, and now I'm going to put in the greeting line. This says Dear, and it's a little formal for me. And so what I want to do is change this. I like just the first name, Dear Clayton, Dear Josh, whatever it may be. So I'm just going to say OK to that. Going to come down, going to insert and a line here, and I'm going to say I wanted to thank you, and now I'm going to insert an item, in this case the name of the spouse. So what I'm going to do is select spouse and say insert, and just close it. I wanted to thank you and spouse for coming to my graduation party. I also wanted to thank you for the, now we can insert the gift, and there's the gift, and just insert it and close, period. I hope to see you, and once again I'll insert spouse, and you can do that a number of times if you want, at the Colts game in Miami next weekend. Sincerely, okay, that's the rough idea. So now I can preview my letter. I could either go up here and click this, and this would merge all the data in, and I can see what it looks like. And there's the second one, and you can see that. Make sure, see, there's Sam. If I wanted to see those film where they're being inserted, you can see it. If I go back, there's the wine. So they all look right. In this case, I probably should have gone back into the database and not made those capital letters, but if I need to, I can certainly change that. That's the preview. If I ever needed to, I could certainly edit the recipient lists and change those to lowercase. But the main thing is you get the idea. And then, of course, you'll just simply, at some point, you need to save this letter. So at this point, let's get rid of this preview. Highlight, we don't need that. Here's what we need to save. So we're going to simply come up here and do a save as, and we're going to call this letter the mail merge, okay, I'll call it mail merge document, okay? And we'll say save. And it already exists, so I just say yes. Okay, now, so what I've got is a mail merge document, and I also have a mail merge database that's located where I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to click this, and what I'm going to do is open up my documents, and if you go to my documents, you'll see my data source. If you click that, there's our mail merge database. If I double click it, you can see what it looks like, but it's the same one that we just created. So we really don't need to go into this, and you don't need to open it. The main thing is you need to make sure this is the one that you attach, along with, when you go back in here, you need to also connect this mail merge document. So there's really two things you're going to be sending me, this document and this database. So those will both be merged together. I hope this clears up things, and if you have any questions, please see me as soon as possible. I guess you won't be seeing me, but at least contact me as soon as possible. Thank you.